Jami Jo, and I am from Jami Jo Sells Wax. We are a fragrance company selling Scentsy fragrance. So if you love Scentsy, right now what I would love for you to do is like and subscribe to this channel, because I am here all the time giving you updates on awesome Scentsy products. Today we are doing an unboxing. I'm so excited about that. So if you love all that sort of stuff, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have been with Scentsy fragrance since all the way back in 2008. I started as a customer, quickly fell in love with the product, knew that I would be purchasing quite a bit of it. So started out hosting a party to get some freebies, and never even closed out that party with the other consultant. Decided to jump right in, become a consultant myself. That's how much I was loving the products all the way back then. I loved them because they were safe. They were safe to have around my family, around my puppy dog, around my kids in my classroom. I was a public school teacher at the time. Fell in love with the safety of it. The products worked. I taught kindergarten at the time, and let me tell you, if you don't know, kids stink. Like legit, they stink. So Scentsy was helping in my classroom with the lovely fragrance after recess on a hot Oklahoma summer day. Also, I love the affordability of the product. So for those three reasons, I quickly became a Scentsy addict. Like I said, all the way back in 2008, I've been helping other people grow their own Scentsy fragrance businesses. Since then, thousands and thousands of people that I have helped grow the business to the point that they want it, because not everyone wants the same thing. Guys, I could go on and on about that, but I'm not going to. Today, I am here to do an unboxing of my March 2023 Whiffbox. If you don't know what a Scentsy Whiffbox is, it is a surprise box full of Scentsy goodness. So Whiffbox is $35 in the US. You are promised to get more than $35 worth of product. And there are a couple different ways that you can get Whiffbox. So first, let's jump right in, see what this month's Whiffbox has, and then I will tell you guys how you can get your very own Scentsy Whiffbox. Guys, I just got this out of the shipment box. I have not even opened it. I am experiencing this with you guys at the same time. So I'm so excited. I figured we are doing a spring cleaning box. So the minute I open this box, this is what I see. A lot of our cleaning products. So you get a fun little pamphlet in here. It just says, a clean home is even more satisfying when it smells incredible too. We filled your March Whiffbox with spring cleaning essentials bursting with fragrance. Banish winter gloom and grime and leave your home filled with a tidy scent of a fresh start. So let's see what all they have put in here for us. Bathroom cleaner in Coastal Sunset. I absolutely love this bathroom cleaner. Not only does it smell amazing, because guys, these are Scentsy products. They're all going to smell amazing. This bathroom cleaner works. It cuts through that nasty soap scum, that mildew, that grime, but it doesn't use all those harsh chemicals. It uses, oh gosh, citric acid. Yeah, I had to glance at the label because I forgot what it was called. Citric acid is what they're using instead of nasty, harmful chemicals to cut through all that gross stuff that builds up in your tub or in your shower or even in your bathroom sinks. I love this bathroom cleaner, and let me tell you, Coastal Sunset's one of my favorite fragrances, so I'm really excited about that one. So that is, let's see, I believe, I don't know if it's $10 or $12. We're gonna add this up as we dig through the basket to make sure I got that $35 value. Bathroom cleaner is $10, so we're starting out at $10 right there. I'm gonna grab the next thing, counter clean. Guys, I call this stuff magic in a bottle. It does not just clean your counters. First, let's start by talking about counters though, because it's called counter clean. This not only cleans your counters, but what I love about it is it actually puts like a barrier between your countertop and nastiness. So usually when you are cleaning a countertop, you are like eating away at the top level of your counter, where this does not do that. It actually creates a barrier between the countertop and the gross stuff. So let's say you've cleaned your countertop with Counter Clean, your kiddos go in there, make a PB&J sandwich, don't wipe off the counter. That jelly is gonna be crusty, and you know you're gonna need to get a putty knife to get that stuff off your counters. Not if you've used Counter Clean. If you use Counter Clean, that is just gonna wipe right off. Now, I told you it's magic in a bottle. My two favorite things that I clean with Counter Clean is my shoes. I am like a stickler for white shoes. I adore a white tennis shoe, but I can't stand it when it gets a little bit grimy. I use Counter Clean and a toothbrush on my shoes, and it comes right clean. When the kids were still around, all my kids have moved out, empty nester now, but I used this in their lunch boxes. But one of my other favorite places to use this, I told you shoes, upholstery in the car. I have been dumbfounded as to what stuff will come out of upholstery in a car thanks to Counter Clean. So I told you it's magic in a bottle. You're just gonna have to trust me on that because they won't change the name of it, even though I've told them to. The scent is Daydream Oasis. Let's talk about these fragrances real quick. I'm going to look up the description of the fragrances so you know what it is. That bathroom clean came in Coastal Sunset. This is great watching right here, right? As I flip through a catalog and find how it's described. Guys, I swear it can't be that hard. Oh, Coastal Sunset. Creamy coconut and sandalwood set the scene for a warm amethyst amber. That's why I love it. Sandalwood and amber. I'm all about the masculine, woodsy, earthy smells, and that's Coastal Sunset for me. What was this one? Daydream Oasis. Let's see. It is Lose Yourself in Sweet Melon and Visions of a Luminous Pear Leaf and Water Lily. That sounds like a fabulous scent for the kitchen. I don't remember Daydream Oasis fragrance right off the top of my head, but that scent description sounds perfect for a kitchen. Oh, friends. All-purpose cleaner. This stuff, I'm telling you, mop your floors with it. You can make, when you run out of Counter Clean, you can make another bottle of this in this. It's like you dilute it down because it's called concentrate. Let's see what it says. 3 parts water, 1 part all-purpose. So that's a big giant bottle. Like, hi, it's bigger than my head. Okay, maybe it's as big as my head, but it's not bigger than my hair. Not many things are bigger than my hair. So you get to dilute this down. Like I said, mop your floors with it. You will love this because it smells so much better than anything you can buy at Walmart. Oh, I was gonna smell it, but there's a seal on it. Make a Splash is the scent. Let's see what Make a Splash smells like. They would make it a lot easier for me if they would put these all in alphabetical order, but they like to sort them out by fragrance style. So then I have to find it on the list. Here we go. Dewy Melon and Fresh Green Apple dive into refreshing turquoise waters. That's not everything that's in this box though. Oh look, you get your own Spring and Summer Scentsy catalog. Right inside there. I'm digging through all the paper because they hide the goodies in here. Ooh, I found one more goodie. Mandarin Zest. Guys, I have not smelled this fragrance. This is the fragrance of the month for April, I believe. I haven't even got my scent of the month for April yet. So, all right, guys. I don't even have a scent description to read to you. Okay. Guys, I'm not normally a citrus person, so the name of it, I was like, Mandarin Zest, meh. But it reminds me of something, and I'm trying to remember what. It takes me back to childhood. I think it's like a soap that my grandmother used to use. It smells so good. It's fresh, it's clean. There is that little bit of spark from a citrus, but I would say it's, to me, more like a spa scent. I absolutely love it. Light, fresh, clean, yummy. There's definitely some pear in there, I think. Oh, I saw a little teaser about this. A lot of my other friends were posting about this and I was really excited to get it. So, it looks paper thin, but the minute you pop this thing in some water, it like, whoop. That's my sound effect for getting really fluffy and spongy. I think that's what it's gonna sound like. So a fun little Scentsy sponge in there. I love this. We were gonna talk about price. Bathroom cleaner was $10. Counter cleaner was $10. So we're at $20. All-purpose concentrate is $18. So that's at $38. You've got a bar of the scent of the month, that's $6. So let me math in my head, that's $44 plus a fun little sponge, plus the full spring and summer catalog. Guys, good deal this month, good deal. So Whiffbox changes every single month. We never know what's gonna be inside. I do know that there's going to be one coming up that is a Whiffbox for your little furry friends. I'm not sure what month that is coming out. So you can get a Whiffbox two different ways. The first way is just jump on JamiJoSellsWax.com and order it. The second way, actually there's three ways. Jump online, text me 918-888-9690. Let me know you want one. We can hook you up. But the best way to get a Scentsy Whiffbox is in your Scentsy Club subscription. The reason it's the best way to get your Whiffbox is because it's the only way that you can get a discount on your Whiffbox. So if you have a Scentsy Club subscription, it's simply a customizable auto ship program that you can change at any time. And if you have a Scentsy Club subscription that is $30 or more, you get 10% off everything. Guys, this is $35. So if you just set up a subscription to get it either monthly, every other month, or every third month, you automatically get 10% off. You also get discounted shipping. But wait, there's more. But wait, there's more. If your Scentsy Club subscription is $60 or more, you get 10% off everything and you get a half price item. And your Whiffbox can be your half price item. So that would make it only $17.50 and discounted shipping. So that's the best way to get a Whiffbox, is to start a Scentsy Club subscription. All you have to do is go to JamiJoSellsWax.com. Yes, JamiJoSellsWax.com. Click the button that says Scentsy Club and it's gonna walk you through all the steps to set up your Scentsy Club. Like I said, you can do it monthly, every other month, every third month. You can change it all the time, but it is the best way to get your Whiffbox because it's the only way to get a discount on your Whiffbox. If you have any questions about this or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Like I said earlier, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel so you'll always be in the know of all things Scentsy. And just a reminder, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and to give you a little scented surprise every single month if you want it.